What's up guys, so welcome back to Mr. D&D, and today we are gonna learn how to make this illustration using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So as you can see, first what I want to do is just copy these color codes because we're gonna need them. So go to file first, new. I'm gonna name this file something I draw, create, and I'm gonna place those color codes here, or better, I'm gonna place them here. Yeah, that looks fine. So I'm gonna start with creating the handle first. For that, pick the rectangle tool, the shortcut is M, select, click, and make a rectangle of 68 by 144 pixels. Here it is. Pick the eyedropper tool, shortcut is I, and pick this color, and then I'm gonna place it in between. Then I'm gonna select these 2 points and gonna change their radius. Make sure that this is unlocked in case, because when you come here it's usually locked like this, so make them unlocked and change the radius to 22 of this better. Perfect. Then I'm gonna create a rounded rectangle, okay, of width 356 by 140 and give the corner radius 42. Perfect. Gonna bring that in between. Correct, right? So I'm gonna just swap and correct and give it a stroke of 9 pixels. Yeah, that looks fine. And for that, I'm gonna take this color code 475564. I'm gonna copy this, go to the stroke panel and then paste. Nice, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom in a bit and I'm gonna create a copy of it, that is Command C, Command V, and I'm gonna place that in such a way that they intersect. Okay, yeah, that looks fine. And for that, you can just go to view and snap to point and turn on the smart guides. That will help you. Then I'm gonna select both the points, pick the direct selection tool, shortcut is A. Then one by one I'm gonna delete these points, not all, but you'll see. In fact, I'm gonna take the add anchor point tool and make a point here in between this, right there. Okay, then again take the direct selection tool and delete these points. Nice. Then I'm gonna click on this point and bring it a little to the left. Then this point and bring it down. Then this point, I'm gonna zoom in a bit, click on it, hold shift so that it's on the right path, and bring it here. Then this point, again hold shift and bring it here. Nice. I'm gonna take it to the left a bit more. Then I'm gonna take the selection tool again, select both of them, go to object, path, outline stroke, then pathfinder, keep them selected and unite. Perfect. Select them and then bring it a bit down, right click, arrange, send backward. Nice. Now we are going to create the roller, and for that I'm going to take the rounded rectangle tool, click and create a rounded rectangle of 324 by 134 pixel with radius 41. Nice. And I'm gonna just place it somewhere here. Nice. Make sure that it's in between this, like as you can see. Okay. I'm gonna give this a color. The color code is 04D4F0. Press OK. Now we're gonna move on and create some highlights and the shadows, and for that I'm gonna click on this rectangle, select it, make a copy of it. For that, Command C and Command F, this will create a copy on that, on top of that. Okay, then I'm gonna create another copy, Command F. So now there are two copies. First I'm gonna take the first copy and bring it a bit down, something like that. Then I'm gonna click on this and the second copy, go to Pathfinder and minus front. Nice. I'm gonna give this color. Okay, that's fine. The color code is 5EE4F5. okay, seems fine. Then I'm gonna click on the rectangle below the highlight, again press Command C, Command F, and one more time Command F. So there are two copies. I'm gonna click on the first copy and bring it up. Gonna zoom in. Okay, then I'm gonna select both the copies, the one on the top and one on the below. Again go to Pathfinder and minus front, and for this I'm gonna give it this color. The color code is 039FB4. Press OK. And now we are gonna make the shadows for this handle, and for that click on the handle, press Command C, Command F, that will create the first copy. Then again Command F, that will create the second copy. So as you know, there are two copies. Okay, take the first copy to the left a bit, that seems fine. Then select both the copies, the one on the top and the second one, go to Pathfinder and then minus front. Nice. I'm gonna give this dark gray. The color code is CACBCC. Okay, then we are gonna make some more highlights. Hold shift so that the line is straight. And done. The color was already selected, so we don't have to do that. Now click on the first shadow and the second, go to Pathfinder and unite. We are done with the highlights. Now for the circle, we are gonna create a circle of 652 by 652 pixels. But before that, let's select all of this and Command G to group them. Click on the group and then align them to the artboard. Perfect. Pick the ellipse tool, click on the screen and make a circle of 652 by 652 pixels. Hit OK. Give it this color only. The color code is 04D4F0. Hit OK. Right click, arrange, send to back. That is this, I don't know what's this called, sorry. Send to back. Nice. Now we are gonna create this rectangle, square. Pick the rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Simple as that. Again, right click, arrange, send to back. Pick the eyedropper tool and this color. I'm gonna give you the code. The code is 059DC0. Now we are gonna create this shadow, and for that pick the pen tool. The shortcut is P. Make a point here, then somewhere around here. It doesn't have to be exact because you can always change it, right? Click, then 1 point here, click, then 1 point here, click, and then 1 point here, click, and then here. Done. Now I'm gonna change this color to black, okay, and send it back. One more time, actually a few more times. You know what, send to back. And then as you can, I am sure you have seen the command for it. Press it and bring it to the front. Nice. I'm gonna reduce the opacity to something around 10%. Actually 8% seems fine. Yeah. And here it is. I hope you like the tutorial, and that is it. Thank you very much. Hit like if you like it and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.